Good morning, students. Yes, we are continuing with this topic operations on sets. Now, before starting operation on sets, it is compulsory to understand what do you mean by universal set. Universal set, till now we were discussing so many things: set of natural numbers, set of real numbers, set of integers, everything. Now, what is exactly universal set? If I'm talking about set of real numbers, that is a universal set. How? Set of natural numbers n is a subset of real numbers. Z is a subset of real numbers. Universal set, you can see here, these are universal set. If I'm talking about triangles, so what do you mean by universal set in triangle? All types of triangles. If I'm telling you scalene triangle is a subset of any type of triangle. Then comes right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a subset of any type of triangle. Similarly, so what will be universal set here is, this is U. This is denoted by U, universal set. Now, because I have to explain you operations on set, I'll bound myself with a universal set. This is my U. Now, what is exactly it is? If I am drawing two sets, this is set A, this is set B. What can you say about this? A is a subset of B. A is a subset of universal set. B is a subset of universal set. So, the biggest set, the set of everything, is a universal set. One more example, if I am telling you, let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that much. And if I am telling you A is, means I am bounding U from natural number 1 to 7 only. So what is, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So what can you say? Is A subset of U? You already have done what do you mean by subset. So is A subset of U? Yes. Is B subset of U? Yes. Is A subset of B? No, because in A you have 2, but in B you don't have 2, so A is not a subset of B. I want to express this in Venn diagram. If I am doing like this, I write A, I write B, this is my A, this is my B, this is my universal set. What is A? 2, 3, 4. Now there are two elements which are in both, means that is in A also, that is in B also. So what are the elements which are in both? 3 and 4. So I'll write it here. And what is the leftover is? It will come here too. Same, if I am talking about B, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4 is already in B. You can see this is the boundary of B. So 3, 4 is already in B. So only 5, 6 is left. So I'll write 5, 6. Now can you see in U, other than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is there any other element? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are already written in the universal set. So what will be the left numbers are 1 and 7. I'll write it somewhere in U. Now with this is nothing but this is called Venn diagram. My universal set is, I have done a rectangle. You can use a complete board. You can use a complete wall of the home. It's your choice. But because to show in a notebook, to show in proper way, I am bounding myself with a small rectangle as a universal set. So this is A and B. Now I have already explained you what is A union B. A union B means the elements which are there in A and B. So what is A? 2, 3, 4. What are other elements? 5 and 6. This is A union B. What can you say about A intersection B? A intersection B means common element of A and B. Can you see any common element? Yes. So 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This is a common element. So this is a common element. 3 and 4. Now, if I am talking about how to show in Venn diagram. So, first I am showing A intersection B. What is A intersection B? Is 3, 4. Common. This is common. This is A intersection B. A intersection B. If I want to show A union B, so it is all. This complete is A union B. This will also come in this. Complete. This complete is nothing but A union B. Now what is A in complement? There is something new which I am going to teach you, is A complement. From this example only. What is A complement? Is the elements which are in U but not in A. So it is nothing but U minus A. What is U? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is A? Is 2, 3, 4. So what is U minus A? Is the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So 1, 5, 6, 7. This is my A complement. What is my B complement? B complement is nothing but U minus B. The elements which are in U but not in B. So remove these elements which are in B from U. 3, 4, 5, 6. You cut it, you get 1, 2 and 7. So this is 1, 2 and 7. This is B complement. So you know, understood A complement and B complement. Now how to show in Venn diagram. A complement, B complement. If I am taking about this example only, so I'll draw it again. Venn diagram, same diagram I'll draw. 1, this is A, this is B, A, this is B. Here it is 3, 4. Here it is 5, 6, here it is 2, and it is 1, 7. This is my universal set U. What is A complement? How to show A complement? U minus A. This is complete U minus, you need to subtract A. So this is my U minus A. This is A complement. You can see in red, the shaded portion, how many elements are there? 1, 5, 6, 7. You can check. 1, 5, 6, 7. So this is my A complement. If I want to show B complement, how to show? Again the same way, you can draw it. A, B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7. And this is my U. What is B complement? Means U minus B. So this is my U minus B. I have to subtract. So I'll get this is my U minus B. So it's B complement. So now you must have understood what is complement. A complement, B complement, universal set minus B. Now if I am asking you what is the complement of a complement. What was U here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what was A? 2, 3, 4. Now what is A complement? Complement. What is A complement? 1, 5, 6, 7. What is 1, 5, 6, 7? What is A complement? Complement is U minus A complement. What is U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you have to subtract this complement 1, 5, 6, 7 from this. You will get 2, 3, 4. And what is that? A. So A complement is nothing but A. Finally you get it. This is equal to this. What you can say about A complement union B complement. What is A complement? 1, 5, 6, 7. What is B complement? 1, 2, 7. So what is the union you are going to get is 1 is there, 2 is there, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So similarly you can find B complement, union, A complement also. Thank you children. This is a new topic, so I have done this much. Tomorrow we'll continue with this.